Good afternoon, grade 2.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you this afternoon?
We are
Please, thank you. I have muted all of you. We have a device that is making a lot of noise. And today's lesson is English. English, and our title is composition. Darren, it's you who is the phone that is making noise. Darren? Is it?
It's not me.
Not you. Darren, can you unmute yourself? Unmute yourself. I said I've muted people. People are opening there. Mute yourself, Darren. Mute yourself.
Muted.
I said mute yourself. Let me mute you. I want to see which device is making noise. I think it should be. If it's not Luyando's, let's see. There is a device that is making a lot of noise, screeching noise. It's not Darren's. I don't know whose it is. I don't know whose it is. All right. So English and composition, picture composition. We are going to write a story from a picture. All right. I'll show you some pictures and then you'll tell me a story about that picture. All right. So it's a picture composition. A composition is a short story, just a short story about something that you want to write about. And today I'll give you pictures and then you're going to write a short story about what you see from the picture. Let's write everything there. And when you are done, give me a thumbs up. Then we can see a picture that we can write about. A picture that we can write about. A picture that we can write about.
Teacher, I'm done.
All right. I said if you are done, just show me a thumbs up. It's enough. A thumbs up is enough. Darren, who are you talking to now? Darren, who are you talking to? And what are you eating there? We don't eat in class. You know that, right? All right. Can I see the thumbs coming up? The thumbs so that I can see that people are done. Yes, Alwande. Thank you. Darren, what is wrong? What's wrong, Darren? No?
My pen is not writing.
Why are you using a pen to write, Darren? Why are you using a pen to write? Do you use a pen to write? Do we use pens to write, Darren? Darren? We use pencils. You see, now we are using a pen and now you don't know what to do with it. If you're using a pencil, pencils are no, they don't give us any problems. Now you are writing with a pen. When did you start writing with a pen? Mr. Darren, get a pencil. Yes, we use a pencil to write. Thank you, Makosi. Thank you, Lutando. Yes. All right. Ryan, are you done, Ryan? Yes, Palesa is done. Alwande, yes. Luyando is done. Stelo is holding her chin. Are you feeling okay, Stelo? Are you okay, Stelo? Stelo, are you okay? You look like you're not okay. Stelo, are you okay? Oh, she's fine. All right, Darren, are you done writing? Mr. Pen, Darren. Darren, you are very naughty. You are very naughty. Naughty, Darren. You are very, very good. All right. I'm going to show you some pictures, and then there goes that person who has a very noisy phone. I don't know who it is. There is a phone. Oh my goodness me. Which phone is this that is making so much noise? All right. Are we done?
Yes.
All right. Okay. I will show you a picture and then you tell me a story about the picture, all right? So I'll be giving you pictures and then you just tell me a story. Can you see the picture here? This picture. What can you say about this picture? Tell me something about this picture. What can you see about what can you see and tell me something about the picture? Yes, Alwande?
A boy is sleeping.
A boy is sleeping. If you look at his face, how does he look? Does he look happy?
No.
So what can you say? What do you think happened to this boy? Because you're telling me a story about this boy. The boy is sleeping. Why do you think he's sleeping? Palesa, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Palesa. Please, let's unmute. Let's unmute. Yes, Palesa?
She's sick.
Yes, the boy is sleeping because he is sick. Is he sad or happy?
Sad.
He is sad. When we are sick, we are sad, right? This boy is sick and he looks sad. That's why he is sleeping, all right? Yes. So that's the picture there. I want to show you another picture. This picture, this one here. What can you see? Tell me a story about that picture. A girl, what is she doing? She's standing. Look at her hands. What is she doing there? Yes, she's standing. But she's doing something. Look at her. Yes, Lutando. Unmute yourself, Lutando. Unmute, Lutando. Unmute.
Coughing.
She is coughing. What else is she doing? She is what do we call that?
Sneezing.
She is sneezing. Can you say she's carrying a handkerchief? So what do you think happened to this girl? She has caught she has a
Cold.
She has a cold. Can you see? So when you see a picture, you tell a story about that picture. Good. We are moving on with our pictures because we are telling a story. Let's welcome Liam. There is Liam. All right. There is my other picture. Another picture. We are going to start here. Let's start here. This girl, her name is Chipo. All right, so tell me, what can you see on the first picture? Let's write a story about this girl. Tell me what you can see. She's standing. Look at her hands. What else is she doing?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Vanessa?
She's here. She's. Yes, teacher.
Yes, Estelo?
She has a headache.
She has a headache. Can you see? When you have a headache, you hold your hands with both, you hold your head, with both hands. Can you see? Yes. So Chipo is feeling dash. Chipo is feeling. She's feeling, the word is S. She's feeling, she is feeling, she is feeling, no, you say she has a headache. She is feeling sick. She is feeling sick. She has a dash. She has a, she is feeling sick. She has a headache. Yes, good. Now let's go to the second picture. We are still talking about Chipo. What is happening now? She has a headache, yes. What is happening now? Can you see Chipo? Yes. This is her father.
His mother is going with him.
That's not your mother.
His father is going with him in the hospital.
Yes. The father is taking her to the... Can you read this word? It's not a hospital. What is it? It's a... Starts with... What's that word? Yes, Prudence?
Clinic.
No. To the clinic. Yes. Her father is taking her to the clinic. Can you see? Darren, can you see? I can see Darren. Can you see Darren? Mr. Darren, can you see? Yes. After this, I want people to tell me about the story when we are done, because now we are doing it in bits and pieces. So now, her father is taking her to the clinic. All right, we are still continuing with our story. Let's go. This one is the third. Now, what is happening now? Tell me what is happening now. Yes, Lutando. Yes, where is she now? Where is Chipo now? Where is she?
In the clinic.
She is now in the clinic, and what can you see there? Who is there in the clinic?
Nurse. He has a nurse.
There is a
He
nurse.
has a nurse.
Yes, there is a nurse. Where is Chipo sitting?
In the bed.
Yes, Lutando. Lutando, where is Chipo sitting? Lutando.
In the bed.
Yes, she is sitting on the bed. She is sitting on the hospital bed, the clinic bed. How many of us have gone to the hospital? Have you ever sat on such a bed when you go to the clinic?
Yes.
Yes. What does the doctor do to you when you sit there? Yes, Luyando. I know you have gone to the clinic. Yes, Luyando.
You give you medicine.
I said, Luyando, I'm coming to everyone. I'm coming to everyone. Let me start with Luyando. Everyone will tell me what happens to them when they get to the clinic. Yes, Luyando?
They give him medicine.
Yes, they give them medicine. What else? Yes, people hit their hands up. Yes, Palesa?
An injection.
And an injection.
They put injection.
They inject you, yes.
And tablets.
And
Tablets.
yes, they can give you tablets. Good, Lutando. What happens to you if you go to the... Alwande, please leave your head. Alwande, if you want to do your hair, please don't come for the lesson, all right? No doing of the hair during the lesson. Yes, Lutando? I cannot hear you, Lutando. Try to shout, dear. Shout higher. Raise your voice so that I can hear you. All right, I think there's a problem. If mommy is around, please ask her to raise the volume for us, all right? Because I want to hear you, all right, Lutando? I also want to hear what you are saying. Yes, Makosi?
They check us temperatures.
Yes, they check your temperatures. When you are sitting on the bed, they check your temperature. Yes, Darren?
The operators.
Darren, they operate you. When you are sitting on the bed. All right, thank you, Darren. Yes. Have you ever been operated, Darren?
No.
Darren, I can see. All right. Oh, you've been operated here. Oh, all right, Darren. Yes, that's okay. All right. Yes, Alwande. Yes, Alwande.
You must.
Sorry, Alwande, repeat yourself. Sorry, I didn't hear. Again.
If you don't have a mask, they'll give you.
If you don't have a mask, they will give you.
Yes.
All right. Or nowadays in the clinics, if you don't have a mask, they give you. All right. Thank you, Alwadi. That's what happens in the clinic. So we are still talking about Chipo, the picture composition. So the next, what do you think the next gave Chipo? The next gave Chipo dash. What do you think the next gives Chipo there? He's holding it in his hand. What is that? What do we call that? Medicine. Medicine. The nurse gave Chipo some medicine. Now, the last picture. Look at Chipo now. What can you say about Chipo now? Look at her here. Now look at her now. Yes, Alwande. Now, Luyando, she had a headache here. What about now? I said now. Yes, Alwande. Look at Chipo now. There she is. She is now better. Yes, Stelo. Yes, Stelo. What can you say about Chipo? She is now happy. Can you see her now? Now she is happy. All right. Today we were looking at a picture composition, a picture story. Who can tell me from the start of our story? We were talking about a girl. What was her name? What did we say her name was?
Chipo.
No chorus answers. Put your hands up. I don't want everyone to shout. Put your hands up so that I can choose you. There are others who don't have a chance to say because others have a lower voice. Yes, Prudence. We're talking about a girl. What was her name? Prudence? Chipo, good. What had happened to Chipo? Can I have another hand now? Yes, Stelo. What had happened to Chipo? Chipo had a headache. Good. And then what happened after that when Chipo had a headache? Then what happened? The next hand. Yes, Makosi. Yes, Makosi.
His father we went with him at the hospital.
Yes, remember Chipo is a girl. So we say her. Again, Makosi, her. Repeat your statement again. Yes, Makosi.
Chipo, her father go with him at the hospital.
Yes, her father took him to the hospital. Yes, Palesa. Continue with our story.
Chipo was happy.
No, before Chipo was happy, we saw her at the hospital. Let's talk about that. Don't jump the story. Remember, it's a picture composition. Don't jump the picture. Yes,
the doctor give him a medicine.
Yes, Chipo entered the clinic and we see the doctor or the nurse giving Chipo medicine. Then Alwande conclude our story. Then what happened after that?
She was better than she was.
Yes, yes, Alwande, she was better. Yes, Strelo. She was very happy. We see her. She was jumping. Yes, we see her jumping. Can you see her now? She is feeling much better. There she is. She is jumping. If you see her here she was crying. She was going with her father. She goes to the clinic. She gets a nurse. There is the medicine. Now Chipo is happy. All right, thank you. Now we have come to the end of our lesson. Who can tell me what did we learn about today before we end our lesson for today? Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Makosi. Luyando, I'm coming to you. Let me start Makosi. Yes, Makosi.
Chipo and his father.
Chipo and her father. Again, Luyando. Chipo and her father. Luyando.
Then we learned to tap at hospital.
The hospital, yes, good. Alwande, good. Luyando. Alwande. Again, Alwande.
She was happy. He was happy.
Yes, Chipo had a headache. Good. Yes, Lutando. Oh, I cannot hear Lutando again. All right. Palesa. Yes, Palesa.
Chipo was happy.
Chipo was happy. So if you have a headache, where should you go? If you have a headache, where should you go? Where are you going to get help if you have a headache? Where are you supposed to go? Yes, Stelo. Where should you go?
the clinic.
Yes, if you have a headache, you go to the clinic. And when you get to the clinic, what are they going to give you at the clinic that is going to make your headache to go away? Yes, Darren. Yes, Darren. They give you medicine. Or what else can they give you? If they don't give you medicine, what can they give you? Yes, Luyando? An injection. Yes, yes. So I don't want to hear that people, they were crying, they don't want to go to the hospital. Make sure you go, because if you want to feel better, you should go to the doctor, even if the injection is painful, but you are going to feel much better. All right, so thank you, Palesa, Darren, Ryan, Alwande, Luyando, Lutando, Prudence, Makosi, Stelo. Makosi, is that a hand? Yes, Makosi. Do you want to say something?
No.
All right. So let's say goodbye again. When are we meeting again? Today is a Friday. So when do we meet again? 8:30. When? On Monday. Yes. So bye.
Bye-bye, Nakosayasa.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Let's meet on Monday, 8:30. Bye. Eliando, bye, Vanessa. Alwande, Lutando.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.